Hey YouTubers, today we are going to do a new cooking recipe video. It's another one of my grandparents' recipe that a lot of my family members know and love, and I recently just learned how to do it myself, and it's actually very simple. This is called roast beef gravy, either over rice, or it could be off to the side of rice, with also garlic cheese Texas toast. How you put it on your plate is completely up to you. But here's what we're doing. Oven's already ready to go. Got two pieces of this is Pepperidge Farms Texas toast, and it's Texas cheese toast. Then you can do normal garlic bread or whatever. The oven's already set to 425, so go ahead and throw this in here for it says 5 to 6 minutes, but set a timer for that. So like 6 minutes. Usually might even take an extra minute or two, so you just gotta look at it. So timer's going. I got boiling 1 cup of water for Minute Maid white rice, and so I got a cup ready to go. The water is boiling, so we're ready to go there. So just add your 1 cup of water with 1 cup of rice. Once the water's boiling, you add the rice, you stir it in a little bit, get it all wet and all that. Pretty much just let it soak up for about 5 minutes worth. Or you can turn, whether you want to leave the lid off or turn down the heat, and go ahead and put the lid on it. You can do either way. Plus, it has a little vent in the lid, so it's going to come out a little bit. This has been warming up for a quick minute. You don't need it on high, just like in between medium and low heat. And now we're going to be creating the actual roast beef gravy itself. Really easy process. My mom doesn't really do measurements, so what I would say, what she put in before was probably about between 4 to 6 tablespoons worth of vegetable oil. 3 might even work too. She kind of eyeballed it. Probably 4 is looking about good. 4 tablespoons worth. Yeah, that's about right. Watch how much we put in before. So vegetable oil. So you're getting that warm with the vegetable oil. Just a little bit less than medium. Then the next step would be minced garlic, 2 to 3 teaspoons, so the smaller spoon, 2 to 3 teaspoons worth. I'll do about 2.5. Right now we're just browning the garlic now. It'll take a minute. Alright, now let that brown for a minute. Then we'll be adding some all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of flour. Brown that, and then we'll be adding our roast beef gravy. The ones I use from is Hereford roast beef with gravy, which is a product from Brazil. Right around, I think, about the $5 range, right about $5-6 range from Walmart. You could probably find something similar at Fred Meyer's and stuff too. Go ahead while that's browning. Open the can. Get it ready to go. bust open. Two to three tablespoons worth of flour. Say maybe 2.5. Trouble with the can opener, but that worked. So that's done. Check on. So maybe another minute or two on the garlic bread. Means the rice is pretty much good to go. So move it from the heat. Brown the flour and the garlic. Here in a second, I'm going to add the roast beef gravy, stir that in, and then add a half a cup of milk. Now you're going to want to, all that roast beef gravy and stuff, you're going to, and the flour, the garlic, and the vegetable oil, pretty much want to get a masher, and you're going to mash it all together. And then, as you're doing that, add your half a cup of milk. Mash it, stir it in. You're almost done. Second. Looks like that's good. Probably left it in for right about 7 minutes worth. Okay. Mashing all this up, stirring it as well. Whether you want to use a separate spoon or whatever, but stir it. Then you also add a bit of pepper, seasoning salt, garlic salt or powder. I'm going to do salt, garlic salt. And then you don't have to, but you know, I'm going to add a little minced onion as well. You could even add a little onion salt if you had it, or powder. A little bit more pepper. So now mix all that in. Alright, so let that sit for just a minute to warm up. Clean out the can to get ready to throw away to recycle. Start putting my stuff away. It should be ready to serve up. Alright, should be ready to serve. Garlic Texas cheese toast. A bit of rice. You can use whatever rice you want. And then once it's pretty much ready, just turn the heat down to really low. And here you have roast beef gravy over rice. One other thing sometimes my family would do is, you know, have the rice on top, like the garlic toast, garlic cheese toast, and then the, you know, gravy on top of that. Or they would have even roast beef gravy on top of the garlic toast or garlic cheese toast as well. So it's completely how you want to put it on your dish. But this is the excellent, very filling, very great meal. That's what it looks like. And it's super easy to make too, so it's really not that hard. And then you could have leftovers. You get like a Tupperware thing for your leftover rice and your leftover roast beef gravy that you made, and then that's another meal for another day. So that is all I have, and now I'm getting ready to eat dinner myself. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you like this recipe. Hope you try it out. I hope it's delicious. Hit like and hit subscribe, and I will be probably creating even more recipe videos of whether it be that I created or family members from my past have created. So hope you enjoy this video and hit like and subscribe, and have a good holiday season and take care of yourself. All right, bye.